Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is the 18th lesson of A1 level of German language course, and today we are going to talk about possessive pronouns in accusative case. I would like to know your motivation about learning German language. Please comment why are you learning German language, whether your motivation is to come to Germany on a study visa, or on you are already living in Germany, or you want to come on job search visa or family reunion visa. So please mention your interest, and let's start with the topic. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which show a possession for something or someone. Um, like we say that my house, my car, your apartment, etc. So these are the possessive pronouns for things, and possessive pronouns can also be used for uh, people or person, like your uncle, my mother, his daughter, etc. So these can be used for things or for persons. And because we know that in German language every noun, house, book, car, etc., everything has a gender, and gender of noun determines lot of things, including the ending of possessive pronouns in all German four cases. And today we are going to talk about the accusative case, and we see that what are the possessive pronouns in accusative case, and then we will see some of the examples and the usage of possessive pronoun in accusative case. So let's talk with this column is for masculine noun. So if you want to show your the possession of some thing or someone, uh, and that something or someone is masculine, then we will follow this column. If something or someone is feminine, then you will follow this column, and this column is also true for plural nouns. So if you are going to use a possessive pronoun in accusative case, and for some noun, and that some noun or someone is feminine, then we will follow this column. If the gender of noun is neuter, then we will follow this column. So let's see that. Let's start with the masculine one. Meinen for my, and then comes my bus, for example. Bus in German language is masculine, so if you want to say bus in accusative case where you are performing some action on bus, or someone else is performing an action on bus, um, or you can say that bus is receiving an action for someone, then meinen Bus for my bus, deinen, your, ihren, your. The deinen is for informal and ihren is for formal. Seinen, his, her, ihren, its, seinen, our, unseren, euren, your, informal, plural, ihren, your, formal, plural, ihren, their. And if something you are referring to is being used in accusative case and has a gender feminine, then it will be meine, deine, ihre, seine, ihre, seine, unsere, eure, ihre, ihre. And if something that you are referring to is being used in accusative case, or that something is receiving an action, and that something is has a gender neuter, then we will follow this column. Mein, dein, ihr, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, ihr, ihr. Now I have listed some examples, and I have tried to use some personal pronouns, and I have tried to use some verbs so that we can practice also some personal pronouns and the conjugation of verbs with respect to the personal pronouns. And then our topic today is possessive pronouns, so I have mentioned these also. So let's start with the first example. Ich suche meinen Hund. Now, ich is a personal pronoun. I search my dog. Now, suchen is a verb which means to search. And if we conjugate suchen with respect to ich, then it will become suche. And I am searching my dog. I am performing some action. So I am the in the nominative, and the dog that is being searched, that is the accusative, because that is receiving an action. Therefore, we have to, when we use the possessive pronoun for hund or any masculine noun, then we have to use this possessive pronoun. And for my, it will be meinen Hund. Next, I have used another personal pronoun, and I have used a verb called verkaufen. Verkaufen means to sell, and if you conjugate verkaufen with respect to er, it will become verkauft. Then we are using seine Wohnung. He sells his apartment. Now, apartment in German language is Wohnung, and Wohnung is a feminine noun. And for his apartment, it will be seine Wohnung. We have to follow this column. So for his, this row and this column. So it will be this one. Next is wir fragen unsere Mutter. We ask our mother. Now, fragen is again a German word which means to ask, and with respect to wir, it will remain fragen. Mutter means mother, which is a feminine noun, therefore we will use this column, and we know that for our, it is uh, this column, you can see this one, and for feminine it will be this, so it will be unsere Mutter. The next is sie liest ihr Buch. Now, how we will come to know that this sie, which sie is this? um, Lesen is a verb which means to read, and if we conjugate lesen with respect to she, then it will become least. So through this verb conjugation, we come to know that this z means she. So she reads her book. Now book is a neuter noun, therefore it has article thus, and we will follow this column. And ear is because the noun is neuter, and it will be this one. So ear, because the book is being read, we are performing, or she is performing an action on the book, therefore book will be in the accusative case. Next is der Baum verliert seine Blätter. Now der Baum, the tree loses its leaves. Blätter means leaves. Now we are somewhere here. Blätter, because we have to follow this plural column, and for tree it will be seine. So for leaves it will be seine, because it is a plural. Next is sie besuchen ihre Eltern. They visit their parents. Now besuchen is a German verb which means to visit, and we have already covered this ones, they visit their eltern. Eltern mean parents, and it's a plural noun. Therefore, we will again follow this column, and there, for there we will use ihre Eltern. So these are the possessive pronouns in German language, and these are the example that we have gone through with different gender of noun, etc. I hope that this is clear to you now. If you have still any questions, you can always put it in the comments, and see you in the next video.